1.
Open.
Photoshop.
2.
Draw all the parts you want to move on a separate layer.
3.
Save your file as a PSD somewhere. Call it something.
4.
Open.
After Effects. 5.
Import your Photoshop file. Select Composition. Retain layer sizes. Press OK. In Composition settings, choose your duration.
6.
Double-click the composition. These are all our layers. Move the anchor of each layer to where you need them to move from.
7.
Right-click and New. Null object. Call it something. Parent your face stuff to it by selecting them and dragging the squiggly line onto Mama.
Attention!
This is a parent. Child, child, child. Parent all the layers you need to.
8.
Now time to animate. Press the keyframe. Move the timeline. Move the thing. Rinse and repeat. Turn on easy ease if you wanna.
9.
On your null object, and it's babies. Click the box. Open the options on null. Click rotation Y. Rotate it. Do this for any others you want to give a fake 3D effect to.
10.
To wink, click your full eye. Snip it. Click the mid eye. Put it after the full eye. Snip it. Click the closed eye. Put it after the mid eye. Ta-da! Now you can animate just about anything in After Effects. I wonder what you're gonna do. Is there something in After Effects you want to know how to do? Drop a comment down below. For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.